again. Hang on, what's it? Oh no, someone's used it. The chime fin's fixed. The chime fin's... Is it not broken? No. Well, it shouldn't be. Somebody's used it. Oh no, it wasn't broken. It was 40 people probably saying, listen to the chimes, it's been fixed. They must have looked into this one. So they must. Oh no, it hasn't been fixed. It has. Oh, it wasn't broken. And it was. Hello.
Hello.
It's been fixed. It's.
Going down.
Been fixed this lift. It's been. It's. They must have had a look in it. They must.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
And it's louder.
Going down.
Still sounds funny. It's.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
It never used to say doors opening on it. So they have fixed it. It never used to say. It's been fixed.
Going up.
That was because Eleanor reported it.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
What do you hear? It say floor one on.
Going up. Floor 1.
Didn't say doors opening here. Been fixed. Didn't say. They must have put a sign on the left. They must. Unless it said out of service again for someone else. Unless it said.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
It's loud and clear now, the voice. It's. Until it breaks again, until it's loud. No, it's both lifts and B&Q going to be on this one. It's 2 points on lift number 2. Go. Oh, it's not this one. It might have been.
Doors closing.
This one's on.
Lift going down.
Smooth at us. No, it gets noisy as people.
Ground floor. Doors
I
opening.
need the jacks.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
And we might have to click G again.
Floor 1. Doors opening.
Don't want to see. It might have to click G again. That's quick. It's an Oakland.
Doors closing.
That's a new Oakland lift. Let's listen.
Lift going down.
I think
Yeah,
it'll definitely be on next week, if not this week. Oh, it didn't make funny noises.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
Anyone? No.
Doors closing.
Lift number 4 next. Let's listen.
Lift going up. Floor 1. Doors opening.
Unless it was number 4 you heard, unless it was...
Doors closing.
No, it sounded like it's going this. There it goes, and that's it. It's got a new lift though. New lift but not working yet. New lift but not... It's got the new lift. It's on maintenance mode. This is lift number 2. Hello, this is lift number 2. 2 lights because it's open. It's... Anyone? Who's turn? Never re-levels anymore. It's... Someone must have used it up recently. We could stay on. Where's this? Don't safety brake it.
Is it your certificate G?
Yeah. Yeah. None of the times we had to get out, none of them. Your certificate, EJ. Smooth, are we? They're not as hard as Gen 2, so they stop. Lift number 3's even it, huh? That's it. Lift number 3.
And this is lift number 3. My turn to call in this one. It'll be me it goes in first.
Oh no. Oh! Once again. It was for me, it did. And I fell. Yours for EJ. This is it. The chime. Yours for Jay.
Yes, it's.
Don't have to get out. Nice bit of tea. time. That one's always oversensitive. That one's compared to lift 2. That one's. Sit. Time out to go.
If not, can we come back tomorrow? If not.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not relying on Jamie. Unless it's 10 o'clock, they're opening today, and
Because,
that's Eleanor ain't in, unless... Could not be, could not. Why can't Katie come in at 9? Why can't...
the lights are on, so they'll be able to
Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
They're due to be there today.
Going down.
If not, we'll film any. If not, we'll... Fitzmaria,
Level 0.
any will.
Doors opening.
Which is a fit.
You must like
Going
this.
up.
Yeah.
You love them, do you?
Yeah.
Please mind the doors.
One.
Closing.
4. Yeah. If it's Mario, it's a Margaret's food. Well, she was not that. No, she will be. She was not. Jess's road's not Hampshire and Isle of Wight. We'll keep trying every day until she is open. We'll keep trying every day until Mario. Thought it was meant to be yesterday or closed. Thought it was meant. If not, we'll ask Castlepoint if they're open today. If not, we'll... Not a cleaner, but security. Not... Cleaners won't
Going
open.
up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
All this week.
Going up.
Secret. Unless it... All Eleanor's had to go as quickly or...
Level 1.
Oh yeah, she could have done sort of... Because wasn't the boot open a minute ago?
Ladies just asked me if I would be.
Please mind the doors.
This wasn't not open yet, and they're not...
Oh, it is.
Lift them five.
Lift them 5.
Your turn. I don't suppose that's security guard. No, I don't suppose. God. Wouldn't have had to be Greg specific. Us.
Going down.
Or we didn't see.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Not open yet by lift 5.
Going down.
Not open. Puppy ice cream man, it's made it Mario.
Level
She hasn't
0.
sent me a message saying that they're not open. Ring them after if we
Door
don't see them. Ring them after. To see if they are open today, I'll ring.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
See if it is have to do some mark. Oh, we'll be that way
Going
for
up.
Jez anyway. Even if Jez has already been, we'll still do some Margarets if not.
Level 1. Doors opening.
So that means Katie can't get
Please
stood
mind
down if
the
Eleanor's
door.
not. And that
Doors
means
closing.
to be back tomorrow as well as Ellen. Oh, Eve. 2 right on this one. Harry would have done Greenwich 2 as well. Was yeah, over Greenwich, even though it was David Boss, and we. Oh yes, you both will be able to watch them on the 5 o'clock one, and then go to date afterwards. And we are going again tomorrow if it's closed today, and we are ring them if they still haven't come past 10 o'clock. Ring them if they still haven't. If it's still Mario by the M. There wasn't a part 1 of Blessed Beans today. There is not a part 1. There is. Right. It's there for this one. Didn't know Jackson's read over all, didn't know Jacks. Not as hard as Oakland. That means broken. Did it go between floors? Hoi! There's 11 now we're gonna open that Greenway's Road. It would have been